Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet a patchwork yoke for 2-year baby girl. It's very simple and easy, and I will show you the measurement for 2-year size. Its waist is 10 inches and armhole measurement is 3 inches from this side and 1 inches from this side, so it's 4 inches in total. And neckline measurement is 2 inches from straps, and from this side it's 4 inches. So if you want to learn how to crochet this yoke, please see the full video. So friends, for this project I am using 3-ply cotton yarn and a 4mm steel crochet hook. To begin, first of all wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a magic ring with the help of crochet hook, which is basically a loose slip knot. Now make chain 3, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make a second double crochet stitch. Repeat the same pattern and make double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and make total of 12 double crochet stitches including chain 3. After completing 12 double crochet stitches, pull the starting yarn tail to form a ring. Go into the top of chain 3 and make a slip stitch to finish your first row. Now go into the space between 2 stitches and make a slip stitch, then make chain 2 and then finish double crochet stitches 2 times by pulling the yarn through 2 loops only. Now pull the yarn through all 3 loops to make a double crochet together stitch. Now make chain 1, wrap the yarn, go into the space, pull the yarn through first 2 loops only, again wrap the yarn and pull the yarn through first 2 loops only, and again pull the yarn through first 2 loops only and pull through all 4 loops to make a together stitch, and then again make chain 1, go into the next space between the stitches and make 3 unfinished double crochet stitches and then make a together stitch by pulling the yarn through all loops. And now after making 3 times, make chain 2 for the corner, go into the next space between the stitches and make 3 unfinished double crochet stitches. Now pull the yarn through all loops, make chain 1, go into next space and make another 3 double crochet together stitch, then make chain 1 and repeat the same pattern. For third time. Now after making this, make chain 2 for second corner and then make 3 double crochet together stitch again Now repeat the same pattern and complete this row. After completing this row, go into the top of first stitch and make a slip stitch. Go into the next chain 1 space and make a slip stitch. From here we are going to start our row. Now make solid granny pattern. Start with chain 3, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet 2 and double crochet 3 into the same chain 1 space. Go into the next chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Now go into this chain 2 space and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 2 for corner, and again go into the same chain 2 space and make 3 double crochet stitches again. So this is our corner. Now go into the next chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet stitches. Go into the second chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet stitches. Now go into this second chain 2 space for second corner and repeat the same pattern of 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. So this is the pattern. Repeat this pattern till the end of the row. After completing one row, make a second row. So start with chain 3, which is a first double crochet stitch. Now go into the second stitch and make double crochet 2. Go into the third and make double crochet 3. Go into the fourth and make double crochet stitch 4 and make 1 double crochet stitch into every stitch. Till the corner. Now into this chain 2 space, repeat the same pattern of 3 double crochet stitches, chain 2, chain 2 and 3 double crochet stitches for corner. Now pull the stitches to go into this first double crochet stitch and make a double crochet stitch. Go into the next and make double crochet 2. Now repeat the same pattern to complete your pattern. So friends, after completing the square, weave this extra yarn end to some backside stitches, but first of all make a knot. to secure your work, and then weave this extra yarn to some backside stitches, and then cut the extra yarn. Make all the squares by repeating the same pattern. I have made 8 squares, and now I will show you how to join your square. So go into this chain 2 space of both square, and then make a knot to secure your work. After making a knot, now go into this first double crochet stitch of both sides and join them together. Now go into second double crochet stitches of both sides and join them. Now go into the third double crochet stitches of both sides, and then go into the fourth double crochet stitches of both sides, and then go into the fifth double crochet stitches of both sides, and then make it tight like this. I will show you one more time. Go into this next 2 stitches, and then next 2 stitches, and then next 2 stitches, and then make it tight and join all the stitches together, and then go into this chain 2 space of both sides and make a knot to secure your work. After making a knot, weave this extra yarn tail to some backside stitches to secure your work. Now weave this starting yarn tail by repeating the same pattern and cut the extra yarn. And after joining all the squares, join the first and last square together by repeating the same pattern. After joining them, for the bottom side, we are going to make 2 double crochet stitch rows. So go into this chain 2 space and make chain 3, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch, and then go into every stitch and make 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch, and make this row. Into these chain 2 spaces, make 1 double crochet stitch in each, and repeat this row one more time. After completing these 2 rows, we are going to make similar rows for the upper side, but for the upper side we are going to start from the middle of our patch, from these 3 double crochet stitches left first to 3 double crochet stitches section, and go into this third 3 double crochet stitch section. From here we are going to start our row. So take your yarn and pull the yarn from this stitch and make chain 3, which is our first double crochet stitch. Go into the second stitch and make double crochet 2. Go into the next and make double crochet stitch 3. And make 1 double crochet stitch into every stitch. Now go into this chain 2 space and make 1 double crochet stitch here. Go into the next chain 2 space of corner and make 1 double crochet stitch here, and make 1 double crochet stitch into every stitch, and make another row by repeating the same pattern. So friends, after completing these 2 rows, I have made this section of 4 rows. So I will show you how to crochet this section for the other side. Pattern is similar, so you can make the other side by repeating the same pattern as I am going to show you. For this side, repeat the same pattern for back side, 4 rows. So go into this second 3 double crochet section and mark your stitch, and now go into this third section, and from this third section stitch, start your row and make chain 3, go into the next stitch and make double crochet 2, go into the next and make double crochet 3, go into the next and make double crochet stitch 4, and repeat the same pattern till the stitch marker. So after completing this section, remove your stitch marker and make last double crochet stitch into this last stitch, and now turn your work for second row. Sorry, make chain 3, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch, and then turn your row, go into the second stitch and make double crochet 1, which is counted as our second double crochet, and go into every stitch and make 1 double crochet stitch into each stitch, and make total of 4 rows by repeating the same pattern as we have done for this back side. So friends, after completing 4 rows, I have placed stitch markers for my strap part. I have left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 15 double crochet stitches for straps and 15 double crochet stitches for this side strap as well. So for the strap, make chain 3, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch, turn your work, go into the second stitch and make double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and complete your 10 double crochet stitches. So friends, I have completed my 9 double crochet stitches, and go into this last stitch by removing the stitch marker and make your last stitch. So we have make 15 double crochet stitches. Now make chain 3 for the second row, turn your work, go into the second stitch and make double crochet 2, go into the next and make double crochet 3, Go into the next and make double crochet 4. Now complete 15 double crochet stitches by repeating the same pattern and make total of 13 double crochet stitches till the required length of your strap, and make this side strap by repeating the same pattern. So I have completed both straps and I have joined one side of strap. So after completing your strap, remove this stitch marker from 15th stitch and repeat the same pattern of joining without skipping any stitch. Join the first double crochet stitch with first double crochet stitch, second double crochet stitch with second, and after joining our yoke is complete. So like, share and subscribe. Try this pattern